Good evening, friends. This side Rahul Magan here as a Group Chief Executive Officer, Treasury Consulting, and also a venture capitalist. As we speak, Treasury Consulting Group is a multinational headquartered group based out India, Singapore, and Hong Kong. More importantly, we do have our offices in three parts of the globe, and we do operate our own proprietary hedge fund. Now, by definition, a proprietary hedge fund means a fund who invests his own capital, which means the fund do not invest the third party capital. So we invest only our own capital, no third party capital. Our fund is just like the other funds in US who covers FICC, which is fixed income currencies and commodities, and crypto. We don't have any exposure in investment banking. Probably by 2022 mid, we would enter into the world of investment banking. Apart from that, our startup desk having our own private equity fund, which is the money of Treasury Consulting. And we do have our learnings platforms like TCG Academy, our OTT over the top platforms like TRFX Academy, and many more products, our news desk and many more products. In case you wish to have any information, you can definitely WhatsApp on my personal number, which is +91 9899242978. Alternatively, you can WhatsApp on our back office, which is +91 9818485155. I was very young when I asked a question from somebody that why there is so rampant corruption in India. And this person replied, the biggest reason of the rampant corruption in India is the absolute zero knowledge of the people. I replied that what is your definition of absolute zero knowledge of the people? He replied by saying that it means people do not have the knowledge to differentiate who is right and who is wrong. And a large part of their life, they keep chasing the wrong person. And when they get to know that this person is a wrong person, they're left with no other option else to surrender. But unfortunately, I'm not one of them because I have the guts, knowledge, financial strength, and many more things to take up the people who are wrong. And I made myself very clear a number of times that our YouTube channel is not worried about 1 million users, 2 million users, this much comments, this much subscribers, this much viewers and all. No, we make technical videos. We make the videos which no one dare to make in this world. We make these videos and we hardly bother how many comments, views, subscribers we are getting, because I know that every morning when I wake up and see my LinkedIn profile, I'm getting the people to whom my message is getting passed. As simple as that. Even today, one of the leading banks of India, I repeat, the treasury officer of one of the leading banks of India, he visited my LinkedIn profile today. And this is not about today. This is almost every day it is happening. Like EY, KPMG, Deloitte, PwC, their partners often see my LinkedIn profile, often. So we have this magazine. This is the Fortune magazine. And the editor of the magazine is Mr. Rajiv Dubey, editor of the magazine, Mr. Rajiv Dubey, and I'm 200% sure, Mr. Rajiv Dubey, please note my word, I'm 200% sure that you have received a great amount of money by not printing what is the reality, but printing what is not the reality. So I repeat, Mr. Rajiv Dubey, you must have received a great amount of money. Maybe if not cash, then consideration. Because you not spoke anything about the losses of these companies. So the first company he covered is the Flipkart, $37.6 billion of valuation, loss-making company. Second company he covered, Byju's, 16.5 billion of valuation, loss-making company. Third he covered Paytm, 16 billion of valuation, loss-making company. Fourth he covered Zomato, 14 billion, even after listed, loss-making company. Co-founder quitted. Fifth he covered Freshwork, $13.4 billion. Check yourself, profit or loss. So some work you should do also. Oyo, $9.6 billion loss-making company. By the way, they have filed the IPO. Ola, 6.7 billion loss-making company. Postman, 5.6 billion. Check yourself. And the list is very long. I have a detailed video in that regards very soon. Please be rest assured. But this is Fortune India. So don't just go with the title. Just go with the mindset. The mindset is very clear that the media is paid, and this is the evidence that more than 29 startups are reported in this magazine, and in none of the startups the editor wrote the losses, rather consistent losses. But don't worry, Mr. Dubey, I'm here, I'll correct you. In India, if you wanted to be a PN, you need a PhD degree. If you open Google and check, several PhDs are applied for a sweeper role in a government department. Thousands of applications, rather lakhs of applications are going for 100, 200 jobs in government organizations. For a PN job, MBAs are applying. So this is the value of degree in India. But these people, those who are PhD, MBAs, engineers, are applying for a PN or a sweeper job, they are foolish. I'm sorry. They should go to Mumbai and start the Bollywood career. Because here you don't need any degree. Forget the degree. After ending up as a celebrity, you get a right to promote any product. So example, as we speak, the Bollywood is promoting toothbrush, Colgate, mutual funds, gold loans, NBFC, automobile, insurance products, bank endorsements, Reserve Bank of India ads, crypto, condom, political rallies, tweets, political friendship, and once they are done with their Bollywood career, male or female, majority of them looking to be a politician. How many Bollywood actress or actresses, actor or actresses, those who turned politician, what they exactly did for the country? And I would like to ask this question from Mr. Sachin Tendulkar, Bollywood / cricketer. So Bollywood / cricketer. So let's talk about the very recent phenomena which is happening in the world of Bollywood / cricketer. So these MBA people, PhD people, doctorate people, those who are filing for the sweeper or the PN post in Government of India, it would be better if they either join the IPL or they should join the Bollywood, because in both ways there is no degree required. Example, Mr. Amitabh Bachchan is promoting non-banking financial corporation, Muthoot Finance. Is Mr. Bachchan is even aware how the balance sheet of any non-banking financial corporations look like? Is he aware about the various sections of any NBFC balance sheet? While promoting Muthoot Finance, is he taking the responsibility that, God forbid, if tomorrow Muthoot Finance ends up, then he will pay to all those who invested in Muthoot Finance because of his face? Sachin Tendulkar, who loves listening him as a god of cricket, I repeat, who loves listening him as god of cricket, promoting DBS Bank. And it is foolishness on behalf of DBS Bank that even in the losses, they are paying the money to our cricketer, because while choosing a bank, no one look at Sachin Tendulkar, people look at the customer service. So is Sachin Tendulkar ever, by the way, you look at Sachin Tendulkar attendance in the Rajya Sabha, and several months, I think a year ago, question was raised that Sachin Tendulkar attendance in the Rajya Sabha, in the parliament. You should ask one question from Sachin Tendulkar, that maybe he was not present in Rajya Sabha because he is busy in reviewing the balance sheet of the DBS Bank. Maybe he is busy in reviewing the balance sheet of the DBS Bank. Nowadays, Mr. Amir Khan and the lady who worked as a key role in Sher Shah movie, she endorsing Amir Khan with that lady endorsing AU Small Finance Bank. Is Mr. Amir Khan and that lady taking responsibility that if tomorrow AU Small Finance Bank collapsed, then they would be paying to the depositors? So the point is, to be a mutual fund distributor in India, you need a certificate. To be a portfolio manager, you need a certificate. To be a doctor, you have to go through MBBS or maybe various steps in the doctorate. To be an engineer, you need to do BTech, MTech and the rest engineering steps. To be a computer engineer, you need to do the various degrees in computers, right? But to be an IS officer, you need to pass the UPSC, Union Public Service Commission examinations and the various steps. But to endorse non-banking financial corporation, to endorse mutual fund, to endorse banks, to endorse gold loans, there is no qualification. The only qualification is you are a Bollywood celebrity and you are a cricketer. So you are born Einstein. The height of stupidity is Ranbir Singh, the husband of Deepika Padukone, who used to promote condom, is now promoting crypto. So he used to promote condom, and you can see on the YouTube that about his various ads of condom. And I don't think I need to explain what do you mean by condom. So he was promoting condom and now he is promoting crypto because he believes that both start with C and we are also C, right? So condoms start with C, crypto start with C, and we are also C. So let's promote the crypto. Mr. Amitabh Bachchan, recently Salman Khan's father, Mr. Salim Khan, made a statement that he should retire now. Just to take his statement forward of Salim Khan sir, that he's absolutely right. Because even at 80, he is promoting crypto. He is promoting mankind pharma and many more products. Is Mr. Amitabh Bachchan is such an intelligent personality that he promotes everything whatever comes before him. He is such an intelligent personality. He is aware about non-banking financial corporation. He is aware about the issues with the gold loan, and now he is an expert in crypto. Even Salman Khan today said in public domain that मैं आ रहा हूं NFT market में. Now, what is the experience and the background of Salman Khan in the crypto market? Amitabh Bachchan coined DCX. Ranbir Singh Coin Switch Kuber. Salman Khan, there is some company, I forget it the name, but I think it is Bollycoin, but I need to check again. So this is my guess, I need to check again. Maybe tomorrow you will see Sachin Tendulkar, or maybe any other cricketer, any other Bollywood star, or maybe any other actor or actresses promoting any crypto product. Crypto is an unlicensed or unregulated activity worldwide. Everyone knew about this. Handful of people, I'm not talking about myself, handful of people in the world having understanding of crypto. They know detailed of crypto. So how can we expect this knowledge is with Mr. Amitabh Bachchan, the man who was promoting condom is now promoting crypto. So there is no guidelines on Ranveer Singh. So you mean to say that tomorrow, I'm just taking a hypothetical example, tomorrow Standard Chartered Bank, by the way, Standard Chartered Bank had Anushka Sharma as a brand ambassador. Standard Chartered Bank having Anushka Sharma as a brand ambassador. And it means that Anushka Sharma is an intelligent lady because she understands banks. That is why Standard Chartered hired her. Virat Kohli is promoting digit insurance. And have you seen his ad? What he is talking? I am shifting to, मैं भी digit insurance पे shift हो रहा हूं, तो आप भी shift हो जाओ. तो मैं डिजिट पे इंश्योरेंस ले लेता हूं, मेरे क्लेम के टाइम में कंपनी बंद हो जाएगी, तो विराट कोहली वुड बी पेइंग, राइट? दैट इज व्हाट विराट कोहली वांटेड टू कन्वे. So Anushka Sharma promoting Standard Chartered Bank, that lady who is a tennis star, basically, who is a tennis star, I'm forgetting his name. That lady is promoting some public sector bank. Mr. Amir Khan and that lady of Shersha movie is promoting AU Small Finance Bank. Mr. Bachchan is promoting non-banking financial corporation. Mahendra Singh Dhoni promoting mutual fund. Sachin Tendulkar promoting mutual fund. And now Amitabh Bachchan promoting crypto. Ranveer Singh promoting crypto. Here comes the Bhaijan, Salman Khan, who is starting in crypto. Maybe tomorrow we have more players on the cards. So, toothpaste, toothbrush, Colgate, mutual funds, gold loans, NBFC, automobile, insurance product, bank endorsement, RBI endorsement, crypto, condom, political rallies, tweets, political friendship, all comes under the capability of Indian Bollywood / cricketers. And they need no certification to promote this. Certification is only for me. Certification is for you. Certification is for somebody who is burning the midnight oil to clear this. But for him, there is no certification. I wanted to ask one question from Ranveer Singh, because I think Amitabh Bachchan's ad is yet to come on YouTube and all. Mr. Ranveer Singh, if tomorrow Coin Switch Kuber closed. By the way, many people feel offended because once I said this to Binance. So I tell you a small story. Probably in 2019, I met somebody from Binance in Singapore. And there was some argument about the valuation of the initial coin offer. And you can refer my video on YouTube. From the very first day, I was having a view that initial coin offering or initial coin offer is a fraud, and it ends up like this. Binance person told me, you do not know anything about crypto. And I told to Binance person openly that the day is not far when you would close down, because you do not know what you exactly doing. Please open Google and see the Binance now. What had happened with them in UK, what is happening in Singapore, and what is happening in China. So please, it's not a question of Binance. It's not a question of Binance. Infrastructure leasing and financial services, Yes Bank, Lehman Brothers, Bear Stearns, American Insurance Group, AIG, and many big names, where people used to believe that too big to fail, they all collapsed. There was a time, if there was a time in India, if anyone made a video on the YouTube that infrastructure, leasing, and financial services can collapse, Diwan housing can collapse, he would have criticized heavily. But today, both collapsed. When I made the video first time about the Rana Kapoor, that Rana Kapoor is doing a fraud in a bank, I was criticized, but today you know what is happening with the Rana Kapoor. If in 2006, 2007, because I started my YouTube channel in 2014, so I cannot say I made the video then. But in 2006, 2007, somebody made a video on the YouTube that Lehman Brothers can collapse, he would have highly criticized. But Lehman Brothers, Bear Stearns, and many big names collapsed. Citibank reached $1. $1. This was Citibank. And here we are thinking that, again repeat, here we are thinking that if Mr. Bachchan is promoting Coin DCX, then Coin DCX is absolutely safe. If Ranbir Singh is promoting Coin Switch Kuber, it is absolutely safe. Maybe tomorrow if Mr. Salman Khan would started promoting any other product, this is also safe. Guys, few months ago, if you would have wrought or made a video that Evergrande, the largest real estate player of China, 300 billion. You know how much is 300 billion? 100 billion is 7 lakh crores. 21 lakh crore is the balance sheet size. 21 lakh crore. And this company almost collapsed. So if few months ago, somebody made a video on the YouTube that a day would come in 2021 when a company like whose balance sheet is 21 lakh crores would collapse, he would have called idiot. Like the same way, today I am saying the Tatas are accumulating the debt and people are saying, no, Tatas, this, that and all. I'm not against these actors for advertisement. You can advertise anything, up to you, because advertisement of toothbrush is okay, Colgate is okay, advertisement of automobile product is okay, advertisement of condom is okay, doing political rallies is okay, writing tweets with or against the nation is okay, that is not a problem. But non-banking financial corporation, banks and crypto, they are sensitive products. Here we need exceptional knowledge. We just cannot promote that. Example, it is like if somebody comes to me and say that you started promoting, any artificial intelligence engine. Guys, I have an understanding of artificial intelligence, but I have not that level of understanding that I can promote any artificial intelligence engine. And I can push people to use that engine. No. By the way, Treasury Consulting also getting lot of offers on the advertisement. Today, many stock brokers of India contacted us. In fact, contacting daily. But we never advertise anyone on the YouTube. You have seen not a single YouTube video when we advertised anybody. When we told you, you should open your Demat on Zerodha, you should open your Demat on Upstocks, you should do on and all these brokers. We never tell you because we never take these kind of advertisement. Guys, it's up to you. You open your brokerage account with anyone, trade with anyone. We are no one to suggest you. It would be better if all those people, those who are promoting NBFCs, banks, and now crypto, of course mutual funds, if they come on the YouTube and make a sequence of videos to promote their knowledge. So example, Mahendra Singh Dhoni, who is promoting mutual funds, Sachin Tendulkar, who is promoting DBS Bank, Mr. Khan, who is promoting AU Small Finance Bank, that lady of Sher Shah, who is promoting AU Small Finance Bank, Mr. Bachchan, who is promoting NBFC and now Coin DCX, our guy Ranbir Singh, who can even promote anything in the world. It would be better if they all come on the YouTube and make a series of the videos which contains the knowledge about the subject, so that a normal investor can feel that yes, Sachin Tendulkar made 50 videos on the YouTube in which he explained this is how the bank balance sheet look like, how the NBFC look like, or Mr. Bachchan make a video that, this is how cryptos look like, this is Bitcoin, this is Ether, this is the difference between Bitcoin, this is difference between Ether, this is Bitcoin mining, this is Ether mining, this is altcoin, this is stable coin. By the way, is Mr. Bachchan aware that what is the difference between alt and stable coin? That's very important thing. And I know that this trend would continue to happen like it is. This person, specifically speaking, Oyo, you check his credentials, please. Everyone is talking that, he is a youngest billionaire, something like this. Check his balance sheet and you would get to know where exactly he stands. Check Ola, a company who never made money. In fact, today I was, having some article which I shared on my media desk on the Telegram. It was mentioned that Swiggy in July 2021, which means around 3 months ago, having a valuation of 5.5 billion, and they are about to raise 1 billion more. 1 billion is a small amount for them. And after raising 1 billion, their valuation would be 10 billion. What the hell it is? What kind of business you are up to, guys? You have never made money in your business. In July, you are sitting on 5.5 billion of valuation, and after raising 1 billion, you would be 10 billion. And everyone is watching. In India, everyone is watching this bloody fraud game which is going on. Valuations are doubling in months while company is in loss. And maybe tomorrow, let it be honest, like in case of Zomato, they hired Mr. Hrithik Roshan, they hired that lady Katrina Kaif, and the company is in loss. So from where they are paying these actor and actresses? I hope that Katrina Kaif and Hrithik Roshan is not doing the advertisement free of cost for them. If yes, then I agree that Hrithik Roshan and Katrina Kaif is doing free of cost. So nothing to panic, nothing to worry. Have you seen the difference between Amazon and Flipkart? Amazon never hired any Indian Bollywood celebrity or cricketer. Amazon always to the point, apni dukaan. He's trying to connect with you here. He never hired any celebrity. Do you know what is Amazon? What is Amazon? 1 year profit of Amazon is not even the sales of many IT companies in India. This is Amazon. What is Amazon? You're talking about a company who just made a space flight second time. This is Amazon. Can't they hire Indian Bollywood? If Amazon want, they hired whatever person they wanted to. Forget Bollywood, they can even hire Hollywood to promote themselves. But why Amazon is not doing this? Because they believe that the message should pass to the people. It is the same philosophy of the person who is at the back, Steve Jobs. He also believed that the message should pass. It doesn't matter who is at the face. It hardly matters by the time your product is good. And this is the same philosophy of Amazon. But have you seen Flipkart? Every second day there is a new face on Flipkart. Flipkart. Every second day there is a new face which is coming. What do you think? People are not charging? Or are they doing this for the sake of charity? If today Bollywood celebrity X is coming, tomorrow Y is coming, then P is coming, then R is coming, then U is coming. Are they not charging anything? Or they are doing for the sake of charity? If a company who is consistent loss making company, from where they are paying this money? And what kind of business model the Swiggy is up to, that 5.5 billion to 10 billion in just 3 months? So guys, the Indian investor and the Indian customer need to be updated very well, that, maybe tomorrow, I'm sure that tomorrow, there would be a clear cut trend which would set, when you will see everybody in Bollywood and cricket segment started promoting the crypto, because they are getting hell lot of money. I request the people, those who promote NBFC, mutual funds, crypto, and the banks, please make a series of videos on the YouTube and promote and share your knowledge with the investors. And let the investor be confident that yes, if this XYZ person is promoting XYZ bank, mutual fund, crypto, or anything, then it is a great thing. And to my special message to Mr. Ranveer Singh, dear sir, if you really think कुछ तो बदलेगा, तो मैं आपको चैलेंज करता हूं, कुछ तो बदलेगा। अगर दम है ना, अगर दम है तो 1 घंटे की कॉल कर ले, राइट? जैसे वो जो मूवी बनाई थी जिसमें दीपिका पादुकोण एंड शाहिद कपूर यूज्ड टू बी ऑन द वन साइड एंड यू यूज्ड टू बी एज अ विलन ऑन द अदर साइड ना, तो आई चैलेंज यू, कुछ तो बदलेगा। This is bloody hell that anyone in Bollywood and cricketer can choose anything for advertisement. Maybe tomorrow they come and say, hey guys, this is a phone. It's Apple, by the way. I'm just choosing an example. This is a phone. It is 10 times better than Apple. And Mr. Tim Cook will say, what the hell is this? Anyways, this is Rahul Magan, and my number to the people, those who feel offended, +91 9899 242 978. But at the end of the video, I would like to request again, I have no grudges against anyone. You please promote anything, whatever you like. But just make one thing crystal clear. Before promoting anything, make a series of the YouTube video, appear on YouTube video, share your knowledge, and let investors decide you are a knowledgeable person who can promote that. It would be good. Thank you very much, and have a great time ahead. This is the video which is dedicated to the Treasury Consulting Group. And to be very honest, we are keeping this video now onwards at the end of every YouTube video. And all the courses by Sheetal Academy and Treasury Consulting Group. There are many questions people generally raised about Treasury Consulting, the products, the services, and we reply these questions on WhatsApp, LinkedIn, Twitter, YouTube, and variety of forums. But the quantity of questions, the queries are continuously increasing. Henceforth, we decided to make a video. Of course, this is not the only video which we are making. Rather, over the period of the time, we would continue to upgrade this video, to be precise. First of all, Treasury Consulting Group is a multinational headquartered group. We are based out India, Singapore, and Hong Kong. As we speak, company is around 5 years plus old, and more importantly, we are 100% cash rich company. Unlike the so-called unicorns, without quoting the name, and even if I quote the name, it's a fact that they never touch the profit. The company is in profits from inception. Since inception, the company is in profit. So we are a 100% cash rich group, 0% venture capitalist and 0% debt. More importantly, our legal entities invest our free cash with mutual funds and international banks across the globe. We are a client to almost top 10 mutual funds in India, and that is the reason we do have holistic information about the mutual fund industry in India. That's a separate thing, that majority of the information never comes in public domain. Even if a fraction of the information comes in public domain, this fraction of information come for one day and then you know how it happens. So as we speak, we do have three legal entities: India, Singapore and Hong Kong. More importantly, we are a cash rich group and we are having 0%, which means not a single cent invested by any venture capitalist or private equity firm. The company has not taken debt from any bank, financial institution or hedge fund. So we are a zero debt company. That is something which we need to understand very holistically. The following are the products and services we do have about treasury consulting. The more detail is coming at the as the video progress. We have our own proprietary hedge fund. Many people in the world do not understand the meaning of proprietary. The proprietary means no party outside treasury consulting can invest in our hedge fund, which means that we trade with our own money. We are not accepting anybody's money. Even if you give us any amount of money, any proposal on the table, it is completely rejectable. So proprietary is a word which is often used in United States and Europe, but unfortunately this is least used in India. The proprietary means people trade their own money. They do not trade somebody's money. Even if tomorrow, after listening this video, you come to us and say that I give you $1 million to trade my money, I will say thank you very much. We are literally not interested. We hold our own proprietary fund, and that fund would continue to be proprietary, which means that the outside participation would continue to be zero forever. This fund includes the equities desk, the commodities desk. We have our virtual comics platform. More importantly, we have our OTT Academy. OTT stands at over the top, just like we are having Amazon Prime, we are having Netflix, Disney. There are so many, OTT platform we have worldwide. Our OTT platforms is not as big because they started 6 months ago, but thankfully we are having handful of customers and they are growing. In our OTT platform, we are creating video and uploading at the back end of our platform. People with authorized login ID and password can see these videos. Apart from that, no one else is authorized to see these videos. As the video progresses, you will get to know that as we are having around 13 plus, which is 13 plus different series as far as the OTT platform is concerned. As we speak, August 2021, it is 13 plus and we are continuously adding more series. Our idea is very clear. We will reach to 35 or probably 40 series in another 1.5 years of time. We are having our learning arm, which is Sheetal Academy. The details of the Sheetal Academy is given at the end of the video. We have our own family office desk. Rather, very soon, our hedge fund would be a part of our family office. We have our own pension fund desk in terms of consulting. And there are 62 plus different platforms which are listed on our fixed income platform, which is www.fixedincome.global. So as we speak, we have our proprietary hedge fund, we have our equities desk, we have our commodities desk, we have our virtual comics platform, our OTT Academy, our penny stock desk, Sheetal Academy, family office, pension fund, and variety of such platforms. TRFX Academy, which is our OTT platform, over the top platform. This platform is having 13 plus series. Now, few I mentioned, basic series, moderate series, advanced series, valuation series, treasury series, wealth management platform. Wealth management platform is actually integrated with TRFX Academy and would continue to be integrated because of course we would be investing heavily in the wealth management platform. When we speak about wealth management platform, we speak about the learnings. We are not talking about the trading. There is a difference. It's a trading platform, remember this. We have 13 plus different series, like few are basic series, moderate series, valuation series, advanced series, treasury series, research and analysis series, and we have variety of such series. So please do remember that. As we speak, we have around 180 plus videos live. Every week we shot 10 videos. So every month we are adding around 40 to 50 videos, and it will we keep adding more and more videos as the time would come. The target is very clear that we would be having more than 2000 plus videos probably in another 2 years of time, which means a dedicated private platform for learnings. So what is the wealth management platform? A wealth management platform is designed to cover all asset classes of the globe. The asset classes includes the fixed income, currencies, commodities, credit derivatives, structured derivatives, and many more. So I repeat, a wealth management platform is designed to cover all asset classes of the globe. Wealth management platform is also designed to cover continent-wise topic. Continents are United States, Europe, AXI, Asia excluding India. We have excluded India because the financial markets in India are very, very shallow. Very shallow. Like if you speak MTN, medium term notes, if you speak about any exotic derivatives, nowhere people are taking this. In fact, you know that I worked as a corporate treasurer. Even today, 99% of the treasury function in India are working as a cost center. Hardly 1% are working as a profit center. Hardly 1%, to be honest. So the continent-wise include United States, Asia excluding India, Asia excluding Japan, India and Japan, global financial centers like Singapore, Dubai, Hong Kong, Luxembourg, Switzerland, and respective, and of course Latin America. We are creating a wealth management platform which would be covering everything. Example, CDS, credit derivatives. India is not a market of credit derivatives. Reserve Bank of India on paper allowing credit derivatives, but neither we have buyer nor we have sellers of credit derivative. So on paper you have credit derivative, but practically you don't have the credit derivative in place. Henceforth, we really need to understand that if we wanted to talk about credit derivative, the only markets are US, Europe, or Singapore. India was not a market, is not a market, and would continue to be, because we are doing nothing substantial to create a credit derivative market in India. That's the reason, even after a lot of frauds which are happening, banks are just writing off the money from their books. Simply writing off the money from their books. Had it been the credit derivative, banks would be able to get their money back. But once again, if you talk about this issue, people don't understand because they are not interested to have this. Anyways, a wealth management platform designed to cover all asset classes of the globe. And very soon, this wealth management platform would link with our fixed income platform, which is www.fixedincome.global. And of course, we would be adding crypto as well. That is most important. We are planning around 1000 plus wealth management videos by December 2022, which would be covering continents like United States, Europe, Japanese market, Asian markets, global financial centers, Latin America, the tax havens like Bermuda, BVI, Caribbean, and respective, and structured finance, my favorite. 1000 plus videos would be covering almost everything as far as the wealth management is concerned. We would be covering a very simplistic and the plain vanilla topic. At the same time, we would be covering the exotic topic also. So basically, our wealth management platform is for the people those who are having zero knowledge, and it is also for the people those who are having advanced knowledge. Please understand that. It is not designed for the people those who only have basic knowledge or the people who wanted to have exotic knowledge. People with the basic, moderate, or advanced, they all can participate. This is our TRFX Academy, a screenshot from taken from our fixed income platform. This TRFX Academy is our OTT platform, which is over the top platform. And in this TRFX Academy, we are of course interlinking the wealth management platform also. I promise you, probably in another 1 to 2 years of time, we would be adding a lot of content in our wealth management platform and of course our TRFX Academy. Only people with the login ID and the password can enter into this platform, and of course on a weekly basis we are trying to have at least around 10 plus videos so that we would be able to reach to the target as far as the December 2022 is concerned, and we are committed to it, sir, to be honest. Treasury Consulting Group having own learnings platform which is known as Sheetal Academy. As we speak, Sheetal Academy is covering around 13 plus schools. Few are mentioned here. The World of Options, Option Worlds, School of Nifty and Bank Nifty, School of Investment Banking, School of Venture Capitalist and Private Equity, School of Commodities, School of Accounting, School of Foreign Exchange, School of Treasury and Risk Management, School of Forensics, and more schools are coming. Before I change the slide, the purpose of Sheetal Academy is to create a learning platform which link with Thomson Reuters and Bloomberg. We know that we have many learning academies worldwide, and I challenge all learning academy, how many of them are actually linked with Reuters and Bloomberg. I often share Reuters and Bloomberg screenshots on YouTube, on LinkedIn, on WhatsApp, on Facebook, on Twitter. Hardly I see, in fact, limited people in the world are sharing the Reuters and the Bloomberg platform screenshots, because the question is it requires a very deep and dense knowledge. Once you are sharing the screenshots, people generally ask questions from you, and you should have a knowledge to reply. That is more important thing. Very soon we have more schools coming. So as we speak, we are having Option World, Nifty, Bank Nifty, School of Investment Banking, School of Venture Capitalist and Private Equity, School of Commodities, School of Accounting, School of Foreign Exchange, School of Treasury and Risk Management, School of Forensics. The other schools are School of Trade Finance, School of Regulatory, School of Treasury Technologies, Functional Training. We have functional trainings, forensic trainings, information technology trainings, regulatory trainings, and technological trainings. As we speak, around 200 plus trainings are listed. More trainings are coming over the period of the time. All these trainings and everything are integrated with our fixed income platform. You visit our fixed income platform and you would be able to get all trainings and all information here. Apart from that, we provided you the WhatsApp number. You just WhatsApp if you have any query, and in most of the cases we reply if we feel that the query is genuine. So the Sheetal Academy is a platform whose job is to provide practical and industry oriented knowledge. Of course, we link with Thomson Reuters, Bloomberg TV, and many international magazines, international books, and so on and so forth to provide you as practical training. You visit our YouTube channel. In fact, the video you just listened, you can compare this video with any other YouTube channel and rest you know. Apart from that, we just launched our TCG Video World What is that? We have people, those who working day night in their respective jobs. Some are engineers, some are finance people and all. They don't have time to attend the regular one-to-one trainings. I agree that they need video trainings, like the content shot in the video delivered to them, and as and when they get time, they listen to it. We launched our TCG Video World, Treasury Consulting Group Video World. In this video world, we have decided to have 100 plus topics, 5 already done as we speak. As we speak, 5 video trainings are live, pay and get. The only time need is the time to upload on Telegram groups. Every training at least 1 hour or 2 hours. It is a video training, so it is not a one-to-one training. Videos are recorded, you get the videos, recorded videos. Videos to be upload in the Telegram groups, because Telegram gives you the privilege to upload 2 GB of video. Whenever we feel that the video length is big, we request people to share their Gmail IDs. They can create their fresh Gmail ID and we upload the video in their Gmail ID. Which so that because Telegram as we speak is giving a privilege of only 10 GB, 2 GB. This TCG Video Worlds covering advanced trainings, moderate trainings and basic trainings. So basic trainings, advanced trainings, moderate trainings. Please note my next word carefully. All basic trainings would be 2000, which means you choose any topic of basic, you get at 2000. Moderate and advanced training pricing depend upon content to content. So I repeat, TCG Video World is a platform when you have 100 plus topic, 5 already live, 2 hours video training. It's a video training to be uploaded in the Telegram group. If we need more space, we request for Gmail ID. Advanced trainings, moderate trainings and basic trainings. Please do remember this. And this is live. This platform is well integrated with our fixed income platform, www.fixedincome.global. So this is well integrated with our fixed income platform. This is a glimpse of our hedge fund desk. Like I made myself very clear upfrontly that no third party in the whole world can enter in this platform, which means that we do not trade somebody's money. We only trade our own money. So no third party can enter in our platform. This is only for ours. But this platform covers equity desk. This platform covers scalping group. This platform covers commodities desk, comics platform, penny stock desk, silver scalping fund which we just started, and more importantly the Asian desk where we're covering Singapore and all, and the digital gold. More product we would be launching in this hedge fund, but I will again repeat, no third party except Treasury Consulting can enter in this fund. This is not for outsiders. This is our prop hedge fund, which is completely designed for the organization, by the organization. No third party is allowed. And we are very limited companies in the world, those who are running the profitable hedge fund. Our income and everything is really good, but we do not trade somebody's money. These are our credentials. You know my handheld number 9899242978. These are our WhatsApp numbers, our platform www.fixedincome.global, email ID rahul.magan@treasuryconsulting.in or info@treasuryconsulting.in. I assure you, probably in another 1 year of time, we would have more than 100 plus different platforms across the globe. Company would continue to be cash rich. We never allow any venture capitalist to enter in our company because we know the side effects of that, and we continue to add lots of products and services. In case you wish to have any information, these are all the credentials. Thank you guys and have a great time ahead.